Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 29th to the 3rd of October 2025 on Monday. Ephraim Mapula reaches out to Thato, pleading for the reconciliation and prioritizing their bond over past conflict over her faith and his gay lifestyle on Tuesday. While Mampo remains bitterly opposed to forgiving Mapula for past hurt, Maria, despite her own deep anger and reservation, agrees with Isaac's suggestion that they try reconciling Thato's sake on Wednesday. Nkosi struggles with his decision regarding Honors Lechem deal, torn between his business concern and the impact counseling it would have on her career and reputation on Thursday. Nkosi feels sidelined watching Honor and Faith growing bond during Honor's crazy magazine shoot. Though they try to include him, he rejects their effort on Friday. Faith worries about Honor's revelation that Nkosi might cut her from the Lechem deal. Meanwhile, Ezekiel hints to Mapula that she should prepare for the future and keep working on family reconciliation. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.